Okay guys, so I'm sure you're wondering where we've been for a few months. You know, let's just say editing videos is not easy, and it's definitely even harder when your editor-in-chief is out of the country. But we're back. We're here. This is the bike shed, as you can see. Later on today, we'll be going to the Ace Cafe. We'll be continuing what we're trying to accomplish here, which is number 1, being safe, number 2, having fun, and number 3 is up to your imagination. All I can say is that we're happy to be back. This puppy bad boy is going to be on sale. It is on sale actually, so hopefully we can get some Panigales, perhaps. Something like that. We can get a couple of those. Maybe we'll get one of these. What do you guys think about that? We can get an S1000R. You know, maybe not specifically in this color, but maybe we can get one of these on the channel. Or who knows, maybe an Indian. I mean, look at this badass motherfucker. Loop that out, I'm sorry. But look at it, that's crazy. And everything else that's in here. This is one of my favorite places. Maybe a Ducati Monster. What do you think of that? Maybe not the yellow, maybe in red. Doesn't matter, who cares? You know, the whole point of this is to have fun. So welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Look forward to hanging out with you. Take it easy.